Being a biology enthusiast, RDFZ Schools ICC provides me with rich academic resources that I find very enriching. I typically use the lab for my biology experiments. For example, I was in an AP research class recently, and I needed to write an academic paper on the effect of spirulina on sewage purification. In it, I needed to use the school laboratory, and under the guidance of my supervisor, I also learned to operate various high-precision instruments and improve my experimental plan. The color of the solution changes to this red brick color. Although the results of the experiment are still unknown, the whole process has greatly enriched my love for biology and my determination to learn. So I feel like I've found my true self in this.
The ICC can be a great platform for student activities, such as the Active Student Union within the ICC and the International Curriculum Center of RDFZ with the National People's Congress. Personally, I've experienced significant personal growth through my involvement in the Student Council. Agreed.
Despite being exhausted and facing organizational challenges, when we view photos shared by friends or witness packed audience seats during family finales, we are inspired to collaborate and achieve the common goal. Contributing to the community of the People's University is a very satisfying thing. So how do you find yourself?
Well, I found my true self at ICC by participating in club activities. For example, in the Campus Cultural and Creative Club I joined, we designed various products such as canvas bags, mobile phone holders, and our star product, the school uniform bear, which we organized and sold on campus as well as at spring carnival events. At events like graduation ceremonies, I've joined clubs like our school sleeping, flower, and morning star clubs. I believe everyone will find a community in the National People's Congress like I have, in addition to studying. Physical activity is also a great way to help you find yourself. Every year, the ICC holds sports events like the FIBA Frisbee game. For example, 2 days ago we just finished the friendly Frisbee match between teachers and students. Did you win? Just take it. Yes, when it comes to Frisbee, I joined my school's team at the start of the semester and took part in various competitions both on and off campus, as well as nationwide. Winning or losing didn't matter. It was all about personal growth.
Can you summarize SCC briefly?
I see ICC as diverse, rich, and inclusive. It's a place to connect with diverse backgrounds and engage in various on-campus activities, offering a window to the world and self-reflection. Well, I would describe ICC as cooperative exploration and joy. Well, at ICC, we often need to help each other. Explore the unknown and enjoy campus life together if you're let. I would describe ACC in 3 words. I will use positive and valuable words. Free, diverse, and freedom, love, and excellence. Line management, self-improvement, strict responsibility. Supportive, inclusive, and inspiring will be the environment, as good as the cloud.
Vibrant, full of potential, and constantly evolving. Trendy, bold, pushing boundaries daily. I seek truth.
Warm and erudite.
Create the possibility of freedom, enliven warmth. Stress test. Crack done.